Hello, and welcome to English for Learners, a channel where you listen to interesting everyday conversations between fun characters. After each conversation, we explain key terms to help you learn and remember new vocabulary. Once you've listened, try role playing the scenes yourself. Speaking out loud is the best way to boost your English skills and confidence, so let's begin.
Meet Jamie and Anna. Today they're debating an all-time favorite topic: movies versus traditional storytelling. Which one's better for sharing stories? Let's jump in and hear what they have to say.
Jamie, don't you miss traditional storytelling? There's something special about sharing stories in person. I get that, but I love movies. They're so visually exciting. True, but storytelling feels personal. You see the expressions, hear the voice, and connect. Movies have amazing visuals and effects. Plus, you can re-watch them. Good point, but storytelling adds a unique twist every time it's told. Movies do that too with different adaptations. Directors and actors bring fresh interpretations. True, but storytelling connects me to history. I get it, but going to the cinema can be magical too. Let's appreciate both. We can do a storytelling night and a movie marathon. Perfect.
I hope you enjoyed the dialogues between Anna and Jamie about storytelling and movies. Let's break down some tricky words and phrases from their conversation. Traditional storytelling means sharing stories in person, which creates a personal connection. Visually exciting. When Jamie says visually exciting, he refers to how movies use vibrant visuals and effects to captivate our attention. Jamie says you can rewatch movies means you can watch a movie again, allowing you to notice new details. Emma says stories have a unique twist. A unique twist is when a story is told in a way that's fresh and surprising, making it feel new and special each time. Jamie talks about adaptations. Adaptations in movies are when filmmakers take a story from another source, like a book, play, or even a real-life event, and turn it into a movie. Connect to history. When Anna says storytelling connects her to history, she means it helps her understand the past. A movie marathon is when you watch multiple movies back to back, often with a theme like a series, like Harry Potter or Star Wars. Finally, to appreciate both means to value both storytelling and movies.
Thanks for joining us on English for Learners. I hope you enjoyed the fun dialogue. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's keep the conversations going.